Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a good mix in Ableton. First, establish proper gain staging for every track, aiming for peaks around -6 decibels to ensure ample headroom. Next, import a professional reference track into your project. This will serve as a valuable guide for your overall balance and tonal qualities. Remember to organize your session meticulously with clear labels and color coding. Finally, always mix at a low listening volume to prevent ear fatigue and make more objective decisions about your sound. Now, let's shape your sound using equalization and compression. Begin with subtractive EQ, identifying and cutting problematic frequencies to create space. A high-pass filter is essential on many tracks, typically removing frequencies below 80 Hz to clean up the low end. Then, use compression to manage dynamics, making elements more consistent and impactful. A good starting point for gain reduction is usually between 2 and 4 decibels, helping your sounds sit well in the mix. Next, we'll add depth and dimension using time-based effects like reverb and delay. Reverb helps place instruments in a shared acoustic space, giving your mix a cohesive feel. Delay can add rhythmic complexity and fill out the soundscape without clutter. Always route these effects to return tracks. This saves CPU and allows for precise blending. Remember, subtlety is key. Even a small amount of these effects can significantly enhance your mix's perceived depth and professionalism. Finally, let's refine your mix with panning and automation. Panning instruments across the stereo field creates width and clarity, preventing elements from clashing in the center. Automation brings your mix to life, allowing you to dynamically adjust volume, effects, or panning over time. Crucially, always check your mix in mono to ensure it translates well on different playback systems. For a polished final product, aim for a mastering loudness target of around -14 LUFS.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.